let's unbox something that's about to elevate your home vibes. A hotel style waterless scent diffuser. Let's open it. A ver qué tal. Wow, check this out. Already looks super fancy and effective without even using it. Wow. Look at this slick design, super stylish and fancy looking. I love it. It's cordless, rechargeable. Check this out. Here's the charger, check it out. Turn it on right here. Look at that. Check it out, it's Bluetooth. Look at touch screen right here. Super awesome. Just take this off, and here it is. Look at this. You would fill it up. Waterless diffuser, so you have no issues. Super easy. You just put it back in here, put it on, and it looks super fancy. I love it. Let's charge it and get it started. A ver qué tal. No water needed, just pure scent magic. Setup is easy and it covers up to 1,000 square feet. And yes, it's fully app controlled. Set your schedule, scent level, and even timers right from your phone. Turn your home into a 5-star stay. Pure scent, no water, app in hand, smell the luxury anytime, anywhere.